If you are looking for high-flying fun in a small package, this video is for you. Mini drones pack powerful features into palm-sized frames, making them perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and on-the-go creators. In this video, we'll explore the best mini drones available today, covering their standout features, pros, and what makes them a must-have for any drone enthusiast. After testing and evaluating more than 20 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts, and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. Let's start with the first item on our list, which is DJI Mini 4K. If you're looking for a powerful, compact drone without breaking the bank, the DJI Mini 4K might just be your perfect flight companion. The DJI Mini 4K is impressively lightweight, coming in at just under 249 grams. That's right, no registration needed in many countries. It's designed for convenience, but don't let the small size fool you. Its 4K video at 30 frames per second is a major upgrade at this price point. You get crisp, detailed footage with a wide field of view, ideal for both hobbyists and beginner content creators. Controlling the Mini 4K feels natural, thanks to DJI's reliable remote with low latency video feed up to 10 kilometers. You'll also get a solid 31-minute flight time, which is impressive for a drone this size. The drone supports smart features like auto takeoff and landing, return to home, and GPS stabilization, which make it beginner-friendly. There's also quick shots, allowing you to perform cinematic maneuvers like drone or circle with a single tap. Here are some pros for this drone. It is ultra-portable and lightweight, shoots 4K video with excellent clarity. It has long battery life for its class and is beginner-friendly. All in all, the DJI Mini 4K packs a surprising amount of performance into a pocket-sized frame. If you're just getting into drone photography or want a capable travel companion, this one's hard to beat. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is the Ruko U11S. U11S is a feature-rich, beginner-friendly drone that strikes an excellent balance between functionality, portability, and affordability. Designed for users who want high-quality aerial footage without diving into the complexities or price points of professional drones, the U11S manages to deliver a surprising amount of value in a compact frame. One of its standout features is the 4K UHD camera, which captures sharp, vibrant images and smooth video. The camera's 90-degree adjustable angle allows users to experiment with perspective and composition, making it suitable not just for casual flyers, but also for aspiring aerial photographers. Unlike many drones in its price range, the U11S includes GPS-assisted flight, enabling more stable hovering and smoother tracking. This technology powers several smart flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Fly, allowing users to capture dynamic shots with minimal manual input. Safety and ease of use are also central to the U11S's design. With its intelligent return-to-home function, the drone can automatically return to its takeoff point if it loses signal or runs low on battery, providing peace of mind, especially for new pilots. Its foldable and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Despite being compact, the drone handles well in moderate wind conditions thanks to its combination of GPS and optical flow positioning systems. However, the U11S does come with some limitations. Notably, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, so users must fly cautiously in complex environments. Additionally, while it offers a decent set of intelligent features, it doesn't provide advanced tracking or cinematic flight modes found in higher-end models. Our next pick is the Holy Stone HS720, a feature-rich drone that offers a compelling mix of advanced capabilities and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. At the heart of the HS720 is its 4K UHD camera, equipped with a 90-degree adjustable lens and shock absorption technology. This setup ensures high-resolution images and videos with minimal distortion, even during dynamic flights. The 5 GHz FPV transmission provides real-time video feeds, allowing users to experience immersive aerial views with reduced latency. One of the standout features of the HS720 is its GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes. These include Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Waypoint Navigation, enabling the drone to autonomously follow subjects, circle points of interest, or follow predefined paths. These smart modes make capturing cinematic shots effortless. RTH function further enhances flight safety by automatically guiding the drone back to its takeoff point in cases of low battery or lost signal. Performance-wise, the HS720 is powered by brushless motors, which provide quieter operation, better efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. With a flight time of up to 26 minutes per battery and 2 batteries included in the package, users can enjoy nearly an hour of total flight time. Portability is another strong suit of the HS720. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it highly convenient for travel and outdoor use. The drone's build quality is robust enough to handle light impacts, giving it durability for regular use. Overall, the Holystone HS720 delivers a high-quality drone experience with advanced features and solid performance, all in a portable and user-friendly package. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 4 on our list is the Potenzic 1080p drone, which is a well-rounded, beginner-friendly quadcopter that blends solid functionality with an accessible price point. Ideal for new drone pilots and casual users, this compact flyer manages to deliver more than you'd expect from an entry-level drone, particularly in terms of camera quality and ease of use. Equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, the drone offers clear aerial footage and still photography, allowing users to capture memorable moments from above. The camera is manually adjustable up to 90 degrees, giving flexibility in framing shots. While it may not rival the 4K capabilities of higher-end models, the video clarity is more than sufficient for casual photography and social media sharing. Real-time FPV transmission through the companion app also lets you view live footage directly from your smartphone. One of the standout features of the Potenzic 1080p drone is its altitude hold and optical flow positioning system, which stabilizes the drone and keeps it steady in mid-air, even when hands are off the controls. This is especially helpful for beginners who are still getting comfortable with flying. The drone also includes one key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and emergency stop, all designed to reduce the learning curve. For casual users or those new to drones, the Potenzic 1080p drone offers excellent value with a thoughtful mix of features aimed at making drone flight fun, approachable, and easy to learn. And the last one on our list is the DJI Neo, a compact and lightweight drone designed for ease of use and portability. Weighing just 135 grams, it falls under the C0 category in the EU, meaning it doesn't require registration in many regions. Its small size makes it easy to carry and deploy, even fitting into a jacket pocket. Despite its diminutive stature, the DJI Neo boasts a 12-megapixel half-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 30 FPS. The camera's 117.6-degree field of view and f2.8 aperture allow for wide and bright shots, suitable for various lighting conditions. The drone features a single-axis mechanical gimbal, providing stabilization for smoother footage and improved clarity during movement. The Neo offers several intelligent flight modes, including quick shots and subject tracking, enabling users to capture dynamic shots with minimal effort. It also supports hand takeoff and landing, enhancing its accessibility and user-friendly operation, particularly for first-time drone pilots. In terms of performance, the DJI Neo delivers a maximum flight time of approximately 18 minutes and can resist winds up to level 4. It utilizes multiple satellite systems, including GPS, Galileo, and Beidou, for precise positioning and navigation. An added convenience is the 22 gigabytes of internal storage, which eliminates the immediate need for a memory card, allowing users to capture footage right out of the box. Overall, the DJI Neo is a thoughtfully designed drone ideal for beginners and casual users looking for a travel-friendly option with strong video performance and intelligent features in a remarkably compact package. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.